Hi everyone, and welcome back to Vanessa's videos for busy preschool and primary ELT teachers. I'm Vanessa Riley and I'm a primary teacher, teacher trainer and materials writer. First of all, I wanted to apologise for the break I've had in recording videos. And many of you have been asking about my felt board behind me and where I got it from, and the answer is I made it. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to explain very quickly how I made this, and I've taken some photographs of the different steps to make it easier to do it. As you can see, I chose a very simple background, some sky, the sun, some hills, a pond and a tree. And that is because it gives a lot of mileage. I can use it for many different things in class. So I can look at the different seasons and have what we've got here, which is our autumn scene, or I might add some blossom. I might make it very wintry and make all the leaves drop off the tree. But when I say mileage, I mean that it can give you a lot to play with. The felt board is really eye-catching and the children love it, and they look to see if anything's changed or if I've added anything or taken anything away. It's a good idea to hang it at a height that the children can reach, and so they can add things if you want them to, or go and identify things and bring them to you. I also put Velcro on my flashcards, and so I can attach them to the board also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk you through the different steps, the photographs I took, and I will explain what each of the steps is. I think I might have mentioned at the beginning of the video, but it's very cheap and effective. This one cost me around €6. I made it just cutting out the felt, and I didn't sew anything to make it easier for you. It's all glued with a glue gun or stapled at the top, and it's on just a broomstick, which you can then roll it up into. I hope you and your students really like the felt board, and if you like the idea, then maybe you'd like to subscribe to the channel by hitting the button below. So thank you very much for watching, and bye bye.